Hi, in this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to upload and use video on your Webflow site, whether it's a background loop or a playable video with full controls. So first things first, search Webflow in any search engine that you use and click on the first link that pops up right here. First, for looping visual sections, use the background video element. So we're going to add it right here and click on background video. Drag it into your layout, click Choose Video, and upload your MP4 file. Just make sure it's under 30 MB because that's the limit of Webflow. Background videos autoplay, loop, and are muted, which are great for hero sections. For longer or tutorials, drag in the video element and paste your YouTube or Vimeo link. It adds a ready-to-go video player with the play-pause controls. So right here, use this for fast loading or no hosting limits. If you also want a full control and a custom player, upload your video to an external host like Cloudinary and use an embed element with the code. So the method gives you the most flexibility and styling options. And that's it. That's how you upload and use videos in Webflow, whether it's autoplay, embedded, or fully custom. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips.